All right, we got this customer's truck here. We're hoping to have this wrapped up in a couple weeks, but we just got the seats back from our seat guy. He does incredible custom seat work. So he did these for us in this beautiful Italian leather with these nice diamonds, just like the customer wanted, and repatterned all of this. They look pretty good. We have the bulk of the dashboard installed as well, fabricated for a doubled-in kit. We have a lot of work left to do for stuff to install here. He has a hidden brake controller that we have to install, the radio stuff. He has a bunch of audio equipment that we also have to install as well. We did new carpeting, headliner was reupholstered, and all the other stuff has been redone or just about being redone as well. Everything has been custom for this customer. From the roof to the floor, we have brand new seat belts for him, so we'll install those here next week. Over here, our moisture barriers, we have these on all 4 doors for the customer. These are really nice. They're going to help protect the back of the door panels, so any elements that go in the doors aren't going to compromise them. This is a moisture-proof, waterproof, vapor-proof foil laminate film designed specifically for this type of use and applications like this. So let's take a look in the back. Again, our moisture barrier, we have them pre-cut for front and rear doors. We offer that, as well as a universal that wouldn't be pre-cut, and they do come with a roll of butyl tape to install them as well. This is the rear bench seat that our seat guy did for us. It's just such a nice leather. It feels good. It smells good. This is one of many different leathers that we can get. This is an Italian leather. It's top of the line stuff. We have brand new hinge covers that we produce that are going to go on here. Our covers are about 2 millimeters thicker than the originals. Nylon glass plastic. I mean, you can whip them on the ground. They ain't breaking. But it's coming along. It's a ton of work. We think the customer's going to be pretty happy with it, though. Everything's custom. Everything that's being recolored is using a true professional coloring. None of the rattle can junk. I mean, there's just so much to go over, and this is just barely any progress shown in this video. Most of the completed parts, like the pillar stuff and all of that, and all the little things, and the dash kit and all of that, that's in storage, done and ready to go. The doors are almost done. They should be done here within the next few days. But, you know, let us know. What do you guys think about this so far? I mean, we love it. We think the customer's going to love it. And we want to do more videos. And I would have done more. But, of course, you know, caught in the line of work, we just kind of spaced doing pictures and videos. So we're trying to do what we can. And I happened to remember today while I was here at the truck doing a few things and whatnot. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for plenty more to come of this thing.